Is it okay? I take video. I will put in YouTube.
Yeah.
You become an artist. You become an actor.
Live on YouTube, huh?
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel.
Oh. Have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I got YouTube channel.
Yeah. Share on Liverpool, Philippine group.
Huh?
Yeah. Share on Philippine group. Here.
Yeah?
Australia Philippine group or
Philippine group.
yeah, they have.
Yeah, no, I didn't join that one.
Like Vietnam, they have Vietnamese group.
Hmm.
A lot of work, a lot of shops. Someone needs a people.
Yes, that's true.
So on there.
Yeah. Your buddies can speak English. This one?
Someone, not all.
I thought they're students.
They student, but they stupid head.
Ah.
Yeah, they talk a bit now. Good student, study,
Ah.
but no IQ.
That's funny.
Only hello and thank you, sorry, finish. Cái bùa chặt rèn đó ha. Đây. Yeah. If you don't trust, you tell little bit, they answer you or not. Yeah. You
I don't think so. You can speak English well.
They can.
You can speak English well?
Yeah,
Can
but
you...
a little.
Little.
You are good. That's it. Little bit.
Over that international student? International student. That's good. Oh,
Hey, he home very rich, you know.
yeah, I know, because international students are very rich.
Có mấy cuộc ngàn like. Có mấy cuộc ngàn like.
There are lots of Vietnamese, from the
You know, he family him have big gold shop.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Gold shop.
Gold shop, yeah, jewelry.
Half ton the gold in the house him.
Wow. And then he works here, like.
That's
Oh,
right. He never booked before.
yeah.
Never touched the two before.
Oh, really?
Because rich.
Rich. Yeah. He just come here, just study.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Two people, rich kid, yeah.
Yeah.
Three of them is a gold shopping.
Gold
You know
shop.
gold shopping?
Yeah, jewelry
And a
shop.
petrol shopping.
Oh,
Petrol, but for the
petrol.
petrol
Yeah.
for the boat,
Yes.
not for the car. Boat, you know
Oh,
the boat?
oh,
Big boat.
bus. Yeah.
Yeah, like go in the beach.
Oh, boat.
Yeah, boat around.
Yes.
100,
Wow.
500 boat fill the
Fuel.
petrol.
Yeah,
Fill the
petrol.
diesel.
Oh.
Not the car little.
Yeah, the car
20
little. Yeah.
liter.
Yeah.
Boat around 200.
The
or
boat.
500
Yes.
liter.
Oh, that one, their business of their mom.
Yeah, see.
But they work
But they
hard.
good, they're not lazy. That's
Yeah.
the one. Even the family
They're
good,
rich, yeah.
they know work. at
Yeah,
home.
that's
Even
very-
me too. If my family is rich, I know work.
Yeah, of course.
That's why I say he is stupid head.
But they're very good. They're very good student. Yeah, very good boy.
That guy he think he's good because he say he more money, not him. But that
Oh.
guy, I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah, even me, that him, the teacher, I'm no work at all. Even if you when you small and big and until die, no
Yeah.
one need money.
Yeah.
It's my country.
Yeah.
No, never finish. Still born the money, million born 1 year around 500,000 again.
Oh.
1 million born around 1 year, 500,000 again. The bank pay for you extra.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very.
Every month,
Every
year,
month.
coming every like you born every day, every year born one, you know.
Yeah.
if 1 million inside the bank is one month you have around 50 or 50,000 a month.
Wow.
Million.
1 million?
Yeah,
Wow. 50,000. Oh, that's so
50,000 a month.
your money, your money.
Yeah.
Oh, it's too
See?
big.
50,000 a month. That's why you don't need to work. The money income already.
Yeah.
What work for?
And that is their income. 50,000 a month.
No, I say roughly.
Roughly.
1 million.
1 million.
The month.
Yeah.
The month one month around 40 to 50,000.
Thousand.
Depends how much up or down.
Oh.
Interest.
Yeah, interest.
If he home have around 3 million, how much you think?
Yeah.
And there my country
150.
one month you finish around 1,000.
Oh.
1,000 for each, for everything like
Everything.
The king or like the queen. Eat good.
Like the queen.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like the queen, eat thing.
$1,000.
If you big family, eat around 2,000 a month. 2,000 already. Oh, a lot already.
Oh my gosh.
See, 40,000, 50,000, you still put in again. How much? Never finish money.
Oh. They're very lucky children.
Yeah, very lucky. If like him, I only learning, no work.
Learning, no work.
Learning, more experience, more.
Yeah, you are good.
Yeah.
You're very smart.
If the family have the money, you have to learn.
Learn everything.
You put the money, buy the experience for the
Yes,
future, not like work like this.
that's true.
Yeah.
You are smart.
Yeah.
That's why they low IQ.
That's why they work. But we bad luck because the family poor. Yeah. Not like.
Like them.
No, my country is the number one for gold shop or petrol shop.
Oh.
Number one, like rich people.
Rich
on
people.
top. You see here the petrol shop.
Yeah, they're
The
very
people
rich.
Outside, you think rich or not?
They're rich.
Very rich already.
Yeah, rich.
But my country, the petrol shop like baby. Like baby.
Wow. They're very good boy.
Phải
No?
đi quảng cáo ghê không phải?
They cannot understand what you're
No,
talking.
I understand little bit, but then
Yeah.
because I talk right, not wrong. But
Yeah.
See, if you rich people like kick rich, why you allow you
Kids to
much
work.
more money for the little one?
Yeah.
Because even you don't need money more. If around 100,000, 200,000, okay, but 5,000, 10,000 for every month or for what?
Yeah.
Because they have business running,
Yeah, that's true.
income every day.
Every day.
So
Yeah.
they have to learn
Learn more.
English, learning everything.
Everything.
For what business?
Yes, business. Yeah. But they want to work. They want to work.
No, because they not think right. That's why they
Yeah.
work. They work one day 150, 200. What for? The future black. Future not big open big door.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Like before my country, I study 5 years.
Oh,
Study 5 years. Finish 5 years.
high school,
No, it's
elementary,
study university.
university.
Yeah,
Oh,
university. It's a 5 year
5 years.
for learning. Like I say, sport teacher, but my country sport teacher 1 month only around
100.
or around 200, go to 300
$300
a month.
a month. Oh, very
No
small.
petrol, no breakfast, no coffee,
Oh.
nothing. Even
Are you in Cambodia
no, in Vietnam.
or Vietnam?
Yeah. If we buy the egg
Food.
breakfast, petrol, and my country have the card, every month.
Yeah, card.
The card, $200 not enough.
No.
That's why I say, one month in my country is 2,000, 1,000. You pay for everything.
Oh,
2,000 look like queen or king.
king.
You eat good food
Good
every day.
food.
Like relax every day.
That's why they don't
See,
want
I
to
work
drink.
1 month only $200.
Oh,
But
very
we spend
small.
for 1 month. How? Enough.
Yeah, not enough. So So that's why this one doesn't drink the tap water. They just only drink in the.
Before I work with the guy, every day he go out and drink with tap water. But here, very cleaning. But I say they think no.
Oh.
Here, in Australia, the tap water very cleaning.
Yeah, this here in Australia clean.
Yeah.
Even the Prime Minister drink the tap water.
Drink it, that's right.
Yeah. The Australian people very strict. Yeah, Australia. They want to live here. These guys, they want to live in Australia.
Yeah, they have money. If they marry
Yeah.
someone, they pay money for easy around 200,000.
Yeah.
But now 150 and 180,000.
Yeah.
You know the black marriage.
Yeah, black.
When you get a certificate, like your country to everyone too.
Really?
Yeah, like, you know, someone need money,
Yeah.
you deal.
Yeah, yeah, I know that.
After
The divorce.
and then divorce.
Divorce.
They pay around now market now around 180,000.
180,000. Really? There is a. Oh my goodness me.
Yeah,
In Vietnam?
yeah.
Here in Australia? Oh
They
my.
don't know. How they know?
Oh my goodness me. 180,000?
180 before around 100,000, but now you know
180,000.
now 180,000.
That's your money or dollars?
Here money.
Yeah, here money. Oh my.
180,000.
100. Oh my
We
goodness.
have
me.
the
Before I've heard that one before 10,000 only.
yeah, but now
No, it's getting.
before around 3 years around 100,000.
Oh my
Now
goodness.
at least 150.
Oh my goodness me.
But, yeah, 100.
But if you have lots of money, then you can pay for that.
Yeah. Now if someone they find someone,
Yeah.
their family send easy.
Yeah.
150,000 easy. No easy. Ra lại đi chạy đâu luôn. Chạy đâu luôn.
Now, what is this? What? I thought it's a sweet potato. Is it sweet potato? Sweet potato? Are you sure?
Nước chua.
Huh?
Nước chua. Cái cổ tí con. Muốn à? Muốn thì muốn. Phải lá.
It's a...
Muốn đâu kia kìa. Muốn à?
Huh?
Bao cái đó đây. I think still like it.
No, that is not taro. I just plant the taro. I mean, not long time ago. This one is, maybe this is called Singtamas. I don't know. Wow. Or, what is this? Something like, oh, yes. I know this. Oh, the lady plant this one.
Đau luôn mà làm mất hía. Không bao giờ khăn được đau lên đó. Chưa xin mời cái đau bị đau được không? Đi con phải được mà bảo con được đau được. Đau lên. Chẳng nó lồng đi chẳng nó cho vốn này để mà bỏ cái slipper này. Bà còn cái giao họ không biết nóng là mẹ phát bấy mà dám mà giao rồi mãi không đi mua bố đôi mà dọn chắc lắm. Ô là bây giờ đi ra cày cá đấy.
Để
ẹt cái lưỡi cưa quả cái bì á, đóng vào lên mắt á.
That's it? Cut lang?
Lalagyan ng touch yun.
Lagi ba? Yung cut lang
Wala
nila.
kang babalik na table dyan, bigyan mo siyang table, lagyan ng gamit pa parang di masira yung aircon.
Uh-uh. That's what happened. They put drainage for the water. Oh,
No fish there?
there's no fish that one there, Jeremy.
Huh?
There's no fish. Yeah. Is it all right? I took video.
No way.
Your family will see my YouTube. It's okay? Because I have YouTube channel and this is entire world and your family can see.
Why you take the picture here?
Yeah.
What picture?
And then your mother will say, oh, my son working in Australia. What happened? See? Do you have YouTube? You have YouTube? You don't have YouTube? And this one, you have YouTube? You have YouTube? No? How old are you? How? 18? Ah. Ah. You're the same age of my daughter. This one 18 too. 19. They can apply YouTube channel because already above 18. Yeah. You can make money in YouTube. You can make money.
We don't know the internet map.
Oh, that's very simple. Simple to apply. There is social media. YouTube, Facebook. You know that one? Facebook. Oh. I have TikTok, but you have YouTube channel. No? That one good.
YouTube channel?
I have YouTube channel. Yeah.
How many?
Subscribers? Nearly 6,000.
Oh, 6,000.
Yeah.
I have 30,000.
30,000?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very good. I'm just starting.
Nice.
That's very good. You get money from that? Not yet. Not yet. You need to continue. What? No, you just continue until you reach 100, 200,000 and then you can apply for monetization. Monetization. You need to apply that one. Yeah, as long as you can get the all requirements. Yeah.
But now I forget my YouTube.
You forgot. Oh, your subscribers are plenty already.
Before I think I do the YouTube channel,
Yeah.
but I don't know how to cut a video. Is
There is an app.
up.
Oh, you see,